often do we ponder about the financial security of our loved ones after we are gone. It's a thought that might send a chill down your spine, yet it's a reality we all must face. Life insurance isn't about the end, it's about what continues even after we're gone. It's about peace of mind, knowing that our family won't be left in financial turmoil when we're no longer there to provide. Life insurance is more than just a policy, it's a safety net. It's the assurance that your family's financial future won't be compromised, even in the face of unexpected circumstances. It's the promise that your loved ones can maintain their current lifestyle, pursue their dreams, and meet their goals without the burden of financial stress. Think of it as a buffer against the unpredictability of life. No one knows what tomorrow may bring, but a life insurance policy ensures that if the worst should happen, your family won't have to worry about money on top of everything else. It helps cover funeral costs, pay off debts, and even replace lost income. Consider the alternative. The loss of a loved one is devastating enough without the added pressure of financial hardship. Without life insurance, your family may have to make tough decisions, like selling the family home or sacrificing their education or retirement savings. But life insurance isn't just about death benefits. It also offers living benefits. Some policies can accumulate a cash value over time, which you can borrow against for things like home improvements, college tuition, or even as a supplemental retirement income. It's like having a financial backup plan that grows with you. Life insurance is the ultimate act of love and responsibility. It's not about planning for death, it's about planning for life, your family's life. It's about ensuring they have the resources to cope, to grow and to dream, without the shadow of financial worry. So the question isn't, do I need life insurance, but rather, can my family afford to be without it? Insurance to some may seem like a complex maze, but is it really? Imagine you're a farmer. You've spent months cultivating your land, sowing seeds and nurturing your crops, but then a sudden storm rolls in, wreaking havoc on your hard work. This is where insurance comes into play. It's like a safety net, ready to catch you when life throws curveballs at you. In its essence, insurance is an agreement, a pact between you and an insurance company. You pay them a certain amount regularly, known as a premium. In exchange, the company vows to protect you from potential future losses. Think of it like a group of friends pitching in to replace a lost ball. Each of you contributes a small amount, creating a fund. If any of you lose the ball, the fund is used to buy a new one. That's insurance in a nutshell. The losses that insurance protects you from can vary widely. It could be as simple as a lost phone or as significant as a major health crisis. The insurance company calculates the risk of these events happening, and based on that, they determine your premium. It's a bit like your friendly neighborhood watch. Everyone chips in to ensure safety. If a mishap occurs, the collective efforts help to mitigate the damage. One thing to remember, though, is that insurance isn't a lottery ticket. It's not there to make you rich, it's there to help you recover. It's about restoring your peace of mind, getting you back on your feet, and helping you continue your journey, even when the unexpected happens. Insurance is a promise of protection. It's the quiet assurance that while we cannot predict the future, we can prepare for it. It's a tool of empowerment, allowing you to live your life boldly, knowing that you have a safety net to fall back on. Simply put, insurance is a plan you hope you never have to use, but are grateful for if you do. Did you know that life insurance isn't just about death benefits? It's a common misconception. Many perceive life insurance merely as a financial safeguard for their loved ones after they pass away. But life insurance is a multifaceted financial tool with two key aspects: death benefits and living benefits. Let's start with death benefits, the more familiar face of life insurance. This is the lump sum that your beneficiaries receive upon your demise. It's a financial safety net, ensuring that your family can continue to meet their financial needs, from daily living expenses to more significant costs like mortgage payments or children's education. In essence, it's about providing for those you care about, even when you're no longer around. Now, on to the less known but equally important aspect: living benefits. This side of life insurance offers financial protection while you're still alive. How, you ask? Through a feature known as cash value. A portion of your premium goes into a tax-deferred savings component that builds up over time. You can borrow against this cash value, use it to pay your premiums, or even withdraw it for any purpose while you're still alive. It adds a layer of financial security that can be particularly beneficial during times of need. Moreover, some life insurance policies offer additional living benefits in the form of riders. These are optional add-ons that can provide financial assistance if you become critically ill or disabled. For instance, a critical illness rider would provide a lump sum payment if you're diagnosed with a specified illness. In a nutshell, life insurance is not just about providing for your family after you're gone. It's also about ensuring your financial stability while you're still here, navigating the unpredictable journey of life. So, next time you think about life insurance, remember its two faces. It's not just about death, it's about life too. It's about securing your financial future, regardless of what life throws your way. Life insurance therefore serves a dual purpose, providing financial protection during your lifetime and ensuring your family's financial stability after your demise. So, when is the right time to get insured and who exactly should consider it? A question that's probably swirling around in many minds. Well, the answer isn't as complex as you might think. In fact, it's quite simple. The ideal time to get insured is as early as possible. Now you might be wondering, why so early? Here's the thing, the younger and healthier you are, the less risky you are in the eyes of the insurance company. This puts you in a sweet spot for securing a policy at a lower cost. Yes, age and health are two of the most significant factors that influence the cost of your insurance premium. So the earlier you get on this insurance journey, the more you stand to save. Now moving on to the who part of our question. Who should consider getting insured? In essence, if there are people in your life who depend on your income, then you should definitely consider getting insured. This could be anyone from your spouse, your children, your aging parents, or even a business partner. Life insurance is essentially a safety net that ensures your loved ones aren't left in a financial lurch if something unexpected were to happen to you. It's not just about you, it's about providing for those you care about. Of course, insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's situation is unique. But consider this, if something were to happen to you today, would your loved ones be financially secure? If the answer is no, then it's time to consider getting insured. Insurance is more than a policy, it's peace of mind. It's knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of no matter what. It's about preparing for the future while living in the present. So let's circle back to our initial question. When is the right time to get insured and who should consider it? Well, if there's one thing you should take away from this, it's this. Don't wait for the perfect age or time. The right time to get insured is now. Now that we understand the what, why, and when of insurance, let's delve into the how. The first step in your journey to insurance is deciding what type of coverage you need. Are you looking to protect your loved ones in the event of your untimely demise? Or are you also considering the living benefits that some policies offer, such as critical illness coverage or disability insurance? Once you've determined your needs, the next step is to shop around. Yes, just like you would for a new car or a home. Insurance policies can vary significantly in terms of coverage and cost. Take your time to compare different policies and insurance providers. Look at the premiums, the terms, and the benefits they offer. But don't just stop there. It's equally important to read the fine print. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions, the exclusions, and the claims process. If you find anything confusing, don't hesitate to ask questions. An informed decision is always better than a hasty one. After you've chosen a policy and signed on the dotted line, your journey doesn't end. In fact, it's just the beginning. Life is dynamic, and so are your insurance needs. Perhaps you get married, have children, buy a house, or start a business. Each of these life events may require you to revisit your insurance coverage. Therefore, it's crucial to review your policy regularly. This doesn't mean you have to change it every time there's a minor shift in your life, but if there are significant changes, you might need to adjust your coverage to ensure it still meets your needs. Remember, choosing an insurance policy is not a one-time event, but a journey that requires attention and regular review. So don't just set it and forget it. Stay involved, stay informed, and ensure that your insurance continues to provide the protection you and your loved ones need.